My F1 visa got approved. Hi, those who doesn't know me, I'm Amreen, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about that every student who is going to visa interview should know and never miss this. So the first step is taking the mock interviews. The more you take mock interviews, the best you can perform in the interview, as that will become a habit for you before going to the interview. And dress code, like, it is not mandatory to wear suit, to wear blazer and all. Just be comfortable and be in a professional way. And coming to the day of the visa interview, so basically in front of the consulate there will be one security where they'll be checking visa confirmation, passport, where you should not have phones, smart gadgets, and watch is also not allowed. So better to keep that with your parents or your friends. And once you complete your security check, you'll be sent inside, like 10 to 15 members of batch will be sent inside, where there will be another security check which is similar to airport security check. So basically we have to keep all the documents in a tray which will be scanned, and we have to go for security check. Once that is done, we'll be sent to another building where they'll basically tell us the instructions, like what documents we should have, like for which visas. Like for F1 visa we need separate documents, for B1, B2, like that. So after that we'll be called for fingerprints. So once fingerprints is done and verified, we are sent to the waiting area where there will be exactly 10 counters in Delhi. So basically wherever the counter is empty, they'll send us to that particular counter. So first we should wish them good morning, here is my passport and I-20, and the officer goes through that and start asking you questions. And if you want to take mock interviews, link is in the bio. Just go and book one-to-one session. So I'll tell you the questions which are asked to me in the next video. So follow and comment for part 2.